We have discussed, आवाज बंद अब, अभी तक आपने नोटबुक नहीं खोली जैसन. We have discussed two properties of triangle. One is the exterior angle property and another is angle sum property, on the basis of which we were doing certain questions. Look at your books at page number 118. Page number 118. No noise now. Quiet all of you. No talking, I said. Second last bench. What's your problem? Huh? बिल्कुल आवाज ना आए मुझे किसी की. Behave yourself. You are sitting in the class, Devang. Page number 118. Look at page number 118. There are certain things discuss and write. I think this we have to discuss. Page number 118 से start करना है हमने. Think, discuss and write. Just see. First thing, discuss and write. Okay. First question का third part. Think, discuss and write. Yes, listen. Yes, anyhow. Second question हमने कर लिया था. Second question we have to start with, है ना? Third part मैंने करवा दिया था. See, question number second. Second question, think, discuss and write, page number 118. Can exterior angle of a triangle be a straight angle? Can an exterior angle of a triangle be a straight angle? Listen, look at the board. हमारे पास जब एक ट्राइंगल होता है बेटे, उसका जो एक्सटीरियर एंगल है, whatever I am making, keep quiet and look at the board. हमारे पास जो ट्राइंगल होता है उसका जब हम एक एक्सटीरियर एंगल वी मेड लाइक दिस, किसी भी तरह से हम उस ट्राइंगल का एक्सटीरियर एंगल. बेटे व्हाट्स योर प्रॉब्लम? हाँ, क्या प्रॉब्लम है आपको? Now you will get a slap. I can understand what you are doing. Quiet. Don't be over smart. Listen. So when we say that there is an exterior angle of a triangle, you can make it in any form. I am just taking example of making it like this. So ये जो exterior angle है, he says, can an exterior angle of the triangle be a straight line? देखो ध्यान से, straight angle हो सकता है. If this exterior angle, I am taking the example of this angle, you can take it in any way. So if it is a straight angle, what the meaning of straight angle is that this line पूरी सीधी हो जाए. ये एंगल तभी स्ट्रेट बनेगा जब ये लाइन पूरी इस तरह से नीचे आ जाए. और अगर ये लाइन नीचे आएगी, इट विल नो लॉन्गर बी अ ट्राइंगल. ये ट्राइंगल ही नहीं रहेगा. अगर हम इस एंगल को ज्यादा से ज्यादा, ये है ना, ये एंगल है ना, ज्यादा से ज्यादा इसको और बड़ा कर सकते हैं. इट कैन बी लाइक दिस. बट ये बिल्कुल 180 तब होगा जब बिल्कुल ही नीचे आ जाएगा. और व्हेन इट विल कम फॉर मेकिंग इटसेल्फ 180, इट विल नो लॉन्गर बी अ ट्राइंगल. सो राइट डाउन, नो exterior angle of a triangle cannot be a straight angle. Exterior angle of a triangle cannot be, जैसे पेपर में एमसीक्यू आ सकता है, which of the following cannot be an exterior angle of a triangle? I am writing 110, 90, you can say 60 degree, 180 degree. Which of the following cannot be the measure of exterior angle? इनमें से कौन सी मेजरमेंट एक्सटीरियर एंगल की नहीं हो सकती? देखो उधर बोर्ड की तरफ। 180 स्ट्रेट एंगल नहीं हो सकता। अभी तो बताया एक्सटीरियर एंगल ऑफ ए ट्राइंगल कैन नॉट बी अ स्ट्रेट एंगल। 180 नहीं हो सकता, उससे कम कुछ भी हो सकता चलेगा, बट 180 इट कांट बी पॉसिबल. So this cannot be the measure of an exterior angle of a triangle, right? Next देखो, try this question number first. नीचे जो दिए हुए हैं, first question, an exterior angle of a triangle is 70 degree. One of the opposite interior angles measure to be 25. Find the measure of another exterior angle. Listen. Exterior angle is given to be 70. बेटे व्हाट्स योर प्रॉब्लम लास्ट में क्यों बातें हो रही हैं? हाँ, एक्सटीरियर एंगल 70 डिग्री. ऑपोजिट इंटीरियर्स में से हमारे पास दो ऑपोजिट इंटीरियर होते हैं, उनमें से एक दिया हुआ है, हम इनका नेमिंग कर लेते हैं. जो ऑपोजिट इंटीरियर है, लेट अस नेम देम. ऑपोजिट इंटीरियर एंगल्स, वन एंगल इज गिवन टू बी कितना? 25 डिग्री. राइट डाउन. वन लिख के ना ब्रैकेट में लिख लो ऑपोजिट इंटीरियर. दिस इज इक्वल टू 25 डिग्री. 2 is the second opposite interior and that is to be find out. Angle 2 is the opposite interior, second opposite interior, and that is to be find out. One exterior angle is given, one opposite interior angle is given, and another opposite interior angle is to be find out. दूसरा opposite interior हमें find out करना है. बताओ मुझे बात clear है? That means if roughly I make the figure of this question, Madhav, what's your problem? Why you are looking here and here continuously? Listen, if I make the figure of this roughly, just अपनी understanding के लिए, then figure must be like this, 70 degree. ऐसे होगी. एक्सटीरियर एंगल 70 डिग्री और उसके ऑपोजिट के इंटीरियर का हमने नेम क्या रखा? एंगल 1, एंगल 2. हाँ जी, सेकंड लास्ट बेंच, लुक एट द होल. दिस इज द एक्सटीरियर एंगल 70 डिग्री एंड ऑपोजिट इंटीरियर एंगल्स आर व्हाट? बोलो, कौन से ऑपोजिट इंटीरियर है 70 के? एंगल 1 एंड एंगल 2. अगर आप फिगर नहीं भी बनाओगे तब भी चलेगा, बट यू शुड नो कि हम क्या कर रहे हैं. तो जब भी हमारे पास एक एक्सटीरियर एंगल और ऑपोजिट इंटीरियर एंगल्स दिए होंगे, विच प्रॉपर्टी वी आर सपोज टू यूज? एक्सटीरियर एंगल प्रॉपर्टी. राइट डाउन. एक्सटीरियर एंगल, दिस इज इक्वल टू 1 + 2 और ब्रैकेट में लिख लो एक्सटीरियर एंगल. ये जरूर लिखना है साइड पे, एक्सटीरियर एंगल प्रॉपर्टी. व्हाट एक्सटीरियर एंगल प्रॉपर्टी सेज? हाँ जी माधव, यू टेल मी. On that day we have defined exterior angle property. Can you speak what was that? Exterior angle property, state exterior angle property of triangle. Define it. आप बताओ बच्चे. One thing is missing in this definition. एक चीज इसने बोली नहीं है. Anyone? हाँ जी कार्तिक. One exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of two opposite interior. आपने ये नहीं बोला, opposite word नहीं बोला, ठीक है? Listen. So what we are writing? Exterior angle is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2, where 1 is interior and 2 is also interior. Replace the value. Exterior angle is 70, angle 1 is 25, 2 हमने find करना है. In place of exterior angle, put it to be 70, angle 1 is 25 and angle 2 we need to find. यहाँ से we will find the value of angle 2. किसकी वैल्यू फाइंड करेंगे? एंगल 2 की. देखें जरा, +25 comes on the other side will become -25. Okay, 70 - 25 it will be 45. So what is another opposite interior angle? 45 degree. Exterior angle की value. One exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles, and this property is known as exterior angle property. Second question. Question number second. Two opposite interior angles of an exterior angle of a triangle are 60 degree and 80 degree. The two interior opposite angles of an exterior angle of a triangle are 60 degree and 80 degree. Find the measure of exterior angle. यहाँ पे हमें दो opposite interior दिए हुए हैं and we need to find the exterior angle. Write down angle 1. Angle 1 opposite interior. It is given to be 60 degree. First angle opposite interior, this is given to be 60 degree. Second angle opposite interior. Second angle opposite interior, it is given to be kitna? 80 degree. And what we need to find? Exterior angle. And which property we will use? Exterior angle property. Write down by exterior angle property. By exterior angle property. One exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. One exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of two opposite interior. और अगर हम exterior angle की बात करें, this we want to find. And what are two opposite interior? What is the value of angle 1? 60 degree. And angle 2? And sum will be? In the test, there was a question that find the probability when a die is thrown of getting prime numbers and student and taking only one prime number, that is 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 में से 2 भी prime था, 3 भी prime था, 5 भी prime था. तो favorable cases 3 बनने थे and you people are taking the favorable cases to be 1. अच्छा, most of the students writing the sure and impossible events incorrectly. अच्छा, आपने लिखा sure event की probability 8/7 पता नहीं 7/7, सीधा ही 1 लिख दो. Impossible event की probability सीधा ही 0 लिखो, कुछ निकालने की जरूरत नहीं उसको. And the main thing that was wrong, that was not मतलब okay in the paper. हाँ, एक आपने जो sample space लिखा, sample space आप लिख रहे हो H, T, हमेशा curly brackets में होते हैं. Sample space की values always write it in the curly brackets. And मैंने आपको बोला था, don't write that today is Monday, so today is Tuesday, tomorrow will be Wednesday. मैंने आपको बोला था और मैंने टेस्ट चेक किए कल, तो वो तो गलत हो गया. मैंने आपको बोला था अगर आपने डे का एग्जांपल देना है तो आप हमेशा ये दो that Saturday is always followed by Sunday. Sunday is always followed by Monday. The day after Sunday will be Monday. अगर आपने डेज का एग्जांपल देना है, you should give it like this. आपका पेपर ट्यूसडे था, tomorrow is Wednesday. मैंने कल चेक किए, मैंने कहा tomorrow to Monday है. ठीक है, ये 2-3 चीजें थी जो कि आपके पेपर में, आपके टेस्ट में कॉमन मिस्टेक्स थी. प्लीज अवॉइड दीज मिस्टेक्स, राइट? दोनों तरह से चलो. यस क्लास. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. There is figure in front of you and you need to rectify, you need to tell that what is wrong in this figure. Yes, this girl. Beta, you tell what is wrong in this. What is wrong in this figure? गलत. आप बताओ. What is wrong in this figure? इस फिगर में गलत क्या है? Wait, let her think. Last girl, you tell. बैठते जाओ साथ साथ. What is wrong in this figure? आप बताओ. Hands down, all of you. Hands down. You tell. बिल्कुल ठीक. Sum of the interior angles is not equal to exterior angle. ये सम क्या बन रहा है दोनों का? 100. और जबकि एक्सटीरियर एंगल क्या है? 50. इसका मतलब एक्सटीरियर एंगल प्रॉपर्टी is not satisfied here, and that is wrong in this figure. That one exterior angle, it is not equal to the sum of two opposite interior angles. लिख लो. Here exterior angle is not equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. Exterior angle is not equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. This is the wrong thing that the figure is indicating. That means it is not satisfying which property of the triangle? Exterior angle property. Let us start with exercise 6.2. I am taking first question, first part. Listen, देखो, in exam it will not be mentioned in the paper that you have to use the exterior angle property. You yourself have to see that which property will be applied. बच्चे second last bench क्या problem है आपको? Continuously you people are talking to each other. Anything important in studies? Then what happened? Yes. So in exam you have to see that which property will be applied. Whenever there is exterior angle, most probably we will apply exterior angle property. According to exterior angle property, this exterior angle x, Mitarthi, it is equal to what? कौन से बोलो क्या लिखूं? This will be 50 plus 70, and you just mention it in the bracket. Exterior, and not to write the full property, just mention exterior angle property. You just need to mention it a little. Okay? No need to write the full property. So you are having x is equal to 120. X is equal to 120. First part की अपने homework part टिक करो. Third, fifth and sixth will be your homework. Part number third, fifth and sixth will be your homework part. Let us start with the second part. मैंने दे दी हुई है कॉपी सारी. मेरे पास कोई कॉपी नहीं है. I have sent all the copies. हाँ, दिवाली से एक दिन पहले I have sent. मैंने सेंड किए. पहले पूछो फिर किसी से जिसने कॉपीज डिस्ट्रीब्यूट की हैं कि कहाँ रखी हैं. अलमीरा में देखना. करवा देती हूँ. पहले ये कर ले. Yes. Second part. हाँ जी. Madhav, in this figure, stand up. Which angle you will take it as exterior angle? ये एक्सटीरियर है 65 और मतलब कि हम सब क्लास के अंदर है, हम एक्सटीरियर हो गए. X is exterior because it is outside the triangle. उस दिन बाहर भेजा था 4-5 बच्चों को एक्सटीरियर कर दिया था क्लास के बाद. तो यहाँ पे एक्सटीरियर कौन है? X. So exterior is equal to sum of two opposite interior. Interior कौन से हैं दो? 65 and 45. Property mention कर दो. Exterior angle property. Mention the property aside. Exterior angle property. वी आर यूजिंग एक्सटीरियर एंगल प्रॉपर्टी। आवाज ना आए मुझे किसी की। बिल्कुल बातें बंद। Fourth part we will do in the class. First question, fourth part. Here is X and 60-60. Adbun, you tell me which is the exterior angle here. Shabash. Beta, you tell me what are the two opposite interior. 60 and 60. So very good. Write down. Exterior angle is equal to sum of two opposite interior. Property name exterior. X is 120. Using the concept of exterior angle property, we are having it to be 120. Bache, do you have any problem? Ask me. Don't discuss with each other. Look at the second question of the same exercise. Second question. See. Find the value of the unknown angles. And now you have to see that whether it is interior, exterior. Let me take the first part. Hanji. Yes, this girl, Jasmeet. Your name is Jasmeet. Which angle is exterior? 115. And opposite interior? And 50. Write down. तो पता चल गया सबको ये exterior angle है इस बार. So write down. One exterior angle, sum of two opposite interior using the exterior angle property. X को अपने पास रखा, 50 को इधर ले आए, -50. -65. बता देती हूँ. You will do its fifth and fourth part, sixth part as homework. Fifth, sixth, इसी का fifth, sixth आपका homework होगा. I'm teaching second. Sorry, I'm teaching the second one. Second question, second part. Yes, this boy Ravjot, your name is Ravjot. Which one is the exterior angle in this triangle? 100. And opposite interior? 70 and X. बताओ कैसे लगाएंगे प्रॉपर्टी. Very good. 100 is equal to X plus 70. Mention exterior angle property. That's all. So you will be having 100 minus 70 plus 70 इधर आया -70. 30 is the answer. Let us do the third part. Let us do the third part. This is a figure, hands down all of you. This is a figure, बच्चे hand down. आपको हर बार मतलब जरूरी होता है आपका हैंड रेज करना? आई विल आस्क, देन यू विल टेल मी. दिस बॉय, सारंग योर नेम, which is the exterior angle? 125. बैठ जाओ. राजार्यन, what are the interior angles? Very good. X and 90. Apply करो exterior angle property. (125) is equal to x plus 90. Plus 90 will come in this side, will become minus 90. X is equal to 35. So you are having x is equal to 35. Let us do the fourth part. Fourth part, बेटे आवाज नहीं. Fourth part. (60x and 120). Stand up, Chitesh. Which one is the exterior angle here and opposite interior? Apply करो property. 120 is equal to minus x. इतने क्वेश्चंस कर लिए, अभी तक नहीं पता चला कि एक्सटीरियर एंगल सम होता है ना कि डिफरेंस. 120, this is equal to 60 plus x. Mention aside that this is the exterior angle property. Plus 60 will come on this side, will become minus 60. Therefore, x is equal to 60. x की वैल्यू हमारे पास 60 आ गई. अगर कर सकते बेटे, आपको क्या प्रॉब्लम है? फर्स्ट बेंच पे बैठ के यू आर टॉकिंग. हाँ, व्हाट्स योर प्रॉब्लम? क्वाइट. I don't want any one of you to talk in between when I am teaching. Better to listen to me carefully. Only then you can improve your performance. चलिए, so this is all about the exterior angle property. And the next exercise, this is the mixture of angle sum property and another property, that is you can say (6.3) we will do, and 6.3 के जो हमारे ट्राई दीज हैं वो करेंगे हम. चलिए, लेट अस स्टार्ट विथ 6.3 एक्सरसाइज. You see in this figure, all the angles are interior, no exterior angle is here. So exterior angle property will not apply here. We will apply angle sum property. And what is the angle sum property? Sum of all the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Write down x plus 50 plus 60 equal to 180. ब्रैकेट में लिखो ASP, angle sum property. 60 plus 50, it will give you 110. plus 110 shift to another side minus 110. X is equal to 70. आपके पास x की वैल्यू जो है वो 70 आ गई. Using angle sum property of triangle. बता देती हूँ. Let us do it second part. See, in this figure, we'll continue tomorrow.